So, the Google Pixel 9a is set to deliver notable upgrades, enhancing nearly every feature for a superior experience. According to reliable leaks, we have a comprehensive preview of what the Pixel 9a will offer ahead of its expected release next year. Starting with its display, the Pixel 9a will sport a 6.3-inch Actua screen, matching the size of the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro released in August. This adaptive screen will dynamically shift from 60 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rates, delivering smooth visuals at a fraction of the cost of the iPhone 16, which is limited to 60 Hz. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a will reportedly run on Google's Tensor G4 chipset, supported by 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB. Previous leaks have confirmed that it will house a robust 5000 mAh battery, around 11% larger than the Pixel 8a's, to support its larger screen and power demands. Its flat-sided design allows for a more spacious interior, accommodating this larger battery. Charging speeds remain consistent with its predecessor, offering 18 watts wired and 7.5 watts wireless charging options. Camera enhancements on the Pixel 9a include a rumored 48-megapixel primary camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 13-megapixel front-facing camera, presenting a considerable upgrade in its photography capabilities over prior models and making it an enticing option for camera enthusiasts. In terms of size, the Pixel 9a will be slightly larger due to the increase in screen size, yet it will weigh less than the Pixel 8a, reflecting Google's emphasis on both performance and design refinement. The Pixel 9a is expected to launch in mid-March 2025, earlier than Google's typical release pattern, hinting that next year's Google I/O may not feature any significant hardware announcements. Despite its improved features, the Pixel 9a's price is expected to remain steady at $499, which is $300 less than the Pixel 9 and $500 below the Pixel 9 Pro, offering excellent value for those seeking high-quality features on a budget. With a larger, enhanced display, longer battery life, and superior camera specifications, the Pixel 9a is primed to stand out in the mid-range smartphone market, poised as a compelling option for consumers in 2025. So what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9a? Share them in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video.